Hi everyone, Louise Marshall here, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Today, I'll show you how to import your staff from Xero into RosterElf. Let's get started. How to check your Xero connection. Go to the Settings tab in RosterElf, select the Payroll tab, confirm Xero is connected. If not, follow the prompts to link your account. How to import staff from Xero. Click on the Staff tab. Find the blue Xero Import button at the bottom right. If you don't see the button, double-check your Xero connection in the Payroll tab. Select which staff members you want to import. Ensure each staff member has an email address in Xero, especially for New Zealand customers. Click Import to confirm. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, our support team is here to assist. Until next time, happy rostering!